Hi everyone, I'm Grace and I'm here today with the Windows team. We're here to introduce you to our new Windows strategy. We developed this strategy to elevate and customize your window presentations and alleviate your workload. Welcome to the Window Modular Package. Dustin?
Because of the success of Holidays allocation that was focused more on your store's unique business, we're going to take it up a notch. All these elements that you'll be receiving can be moved around based on your store's unique architecture. Brianna, what all will they be getting?
You'll be receiving a podium set, an illuminated or a non-illuminated fat frame, an illuminated or a non-illuminated smart rack, as well as a toolkit. Today we'll be showing you how you'll be receiving these items and detailed instructions on how to build this system. Derek?
Thanks, Bree. We worked closely with the vendor to ensure the easiest possible setup of this system. Not only will it be easy, but it will be fun to set up. Let's take a look at what's inside the box.